working with InstallBuilder cross-platform installer projects and have IB database files. These contain installation project configuration data. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to use these InstallBuilder database files. We'll be comparing our manual fix to the final option, made possible by using just one industry-leading IB file inspection tool that supports a vast library of file formats. Users encountering an IB file are typically developers or database administrators working with an application that uses the InterBase RDBMS. Their goal is to access, query, or manage the data stored within the database, requiring specific database management tools compatible with the InterBase format. The IB format is a proprietary binary file designed for high performance and transactional integrity. It uses a multi-generational architecture, MGA, to manage data, allowing readers to access the database without being blocked by writers. This structure is optimized for concurrent access and minimal database maintenance. The application responsible for generating the IB file is typically InstallBuilder by Bitrock. The necessary creation and modification tools are not available natively in Windows. Windows provides limited visibility into structured data, requiring a database program for full access. Let's check the software manifest. Right-click your IB file and select Open With. Test InstallBuilder if it is installed. If it's unavailable, choose a different program. We are looking for the right interpreter. If the IB file won't budge, stay calm. The error is a consequence of the IB format's specific requirements. Here's a breakdown of the technical reasons your application is failing to recognize it. First, opening in InstallBuilder. Launch Bitrock. InstallBuilder and use File then Open Project to load the IB file. The application displays the installer project structure with all configuration sections accessible for editing. Modify file lists, installation actions, and platform settings, then build cross-platform installers for distribution. Next, building installers. Within InstallBuilder, use the Build menu to generate installers from IB project files. Select target platforms like Windows MSI, Linux RPM, or macOS DMG. The application compiles the project producing native installers for each selected platform. Test the generated installers on respective operating systems before distribution. Finally, version control integration. Store IB files in version control systems like Git for collaborative installer development. The structured format works well with version control, though some sections may benefit from custom diff handling. Maintain clear commit messages for installer changes to track project evolution across team members and releases. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. When your file is still locked, the issue is almost certainly due to its niche format, which few programs recognize. FileMagick specializes in reading these obscure file types. Visit filemagick.com for more info. Don't forget to like this video and tap the subscribe button for instant access to future solutions.